Hello friends, I am Jainji. This is our channel Jain Social. Recently, India has approved two Indian vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, against SARS-CoV-2 virus in an effort to eradicate COVID-19 disease from India. Even though these vaccines not yet passed the third phase of human clinical trial, it got an approval. So, what are the reasons behind for the Indian government to give premature approval to these vaccines? Is there any catastrophic effect it is going to create in the future in India? All the things we are going to reveal through this video. Before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, you will get immediate notification. Let me go into the topic now. Drug Controller and General of India has given approval to two Indian vaccines, that is Covishield and Covaxin, for limited emergency use in India. The decision of the government came in an effort to control the SARS-CoV-2 virus spread further because it had done already enough damages to Indian economy. And also the new muted variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus came to India from UK. It also spreading very faster. So it is a responsibility of the government to control this virus and protect the Indian people. So they have given approval. Even then these vaccines not yet passed the third phase of human clinical trial. We knew already that the Pfizer vaccine got limited approval in many countries including US, and the Russian vaccine Sputnik 5 that got limited approval in Russia and also a few other countries. Then in China the Casino and Sinopharm vaccine got limited approval. So the further there are n number of vaccines are in front run. So let me hope that in the near future there will be further approval for many new vaccines. Before giving limited approval, the drug control used to look at the safety, efficacy and immunogenicity of the vaccine. Safety means how much this vaccine is safe to people, and efficacy, that means how much percentage of people get cured after the vaccine is injected to them. Then the immunogenicity, that means people those who are shown the symptom of coronavirus protected by this vaccine. The Covishield vaccine, which is developed by the Oxford University and Swedish drug maker AstraZeneca, but it is produced in India by the Serum Institute of India. From the initial days of vaccine development against SARS-CoV-2 virus, the Oxford University's vaccine was in front run. Now let us see how this vaccine induces immunoresponse to boost our immunity. Actually, these vaccines are made from the weakened common cold virus. When this vaccine injected into our body, our immunity will be get boosted and it will develop antibodies. These antibodies will act against the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2 virus, because the spike protein of the virus only used to make bond in our cell and attack the cell. This weakened cold virus mimics the function of original coronavirus. So the antibodies which defeated these viruses also get boosted. So when original coronavirus try to attack our immunity, these antibodies will fight much stronger and uproot these intruders. That is how the Covishield vaccine boosts our immunity. The Oxford University and the AstraZeneca has conducted third phase of human clinical trial for 1,600 people in India, different states, but the data not yet revealed. The Oxford University and the AstraZeneca have conducted the third phase of human clinical trial in Brazil and UK, where the data shows that the performance of this vaccine, that is efficacy, is more than 70%. Then let me see the next vaccine, that is Covaxin, which is an indigenous vaccine, which means it is completely developed in India. It is developed by the Bharat Biotech in Hyderabad and the Indian Council of Medical Research, National Virology Institute in Pune. The Covaxin is an inactivated vaccine, which means the disease-causing microorganism is killed to make these vaccines. So here the disease-causing virus is killed to make this vaccine. When this vaccine is injected into our body, our immunity will be boosted and my antibodies will be generated. These antibodies not only target the spike protein, that is the outer layer of coronavirus, but also it will attack other part of the virus as well. So the new muted variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus also killed by this vaccine. This Covaxin has immunogens from other genes which boost antibodies, so which will give additional protection to other gene muted variant of SARS-CoV-2 virus, like the one which is spreading much faster from UK. The Covaxin's first and second human clinical trial conducted for 800 people shows that its performance is good, but the third phase of human clinical trial, which is conducted for 22,500 people, that data not yet revealed. Now this Covaxin got limited approval, so the drug maker need to monitor the people, those who are vaccinated for 2 months, then the data will be sent to our drug controller. Then every month again the drug maker has to send data to the drug controller. Based on the performance of the vaccine, that is analyzing the risk benefit ratio, the drug controller will decide whether the approval need to continue or not. Okay friends, what do you think about the government decision to give approval to the new vaccine Covishield and Covaxin? Is it a premature decision of the government or is it a right decision of the government? Give your opinion in the comment section. Give a thumbs up by clicking the like button and share to your friends. Remember to subscribe our channel and also click the bell icon. Then the moment I post the video, you will get immediate notification. Thank you for watching this video. We shall meet again in our next discussion. Until then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.